Step into the 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, power front seats, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.